Hello to everyone, today I have here the camera GoPro Hero 8 Black version, and today I will show you how I copy the video files from the camera to the PC. So I am using two options. One of the options is that I open this pocket like this, and right here is the USB port. So I just take the camera, keep the camera like this, input the cable USB to the PC, and second one I input here to the camera. Right now it's ready, and now you can see here the red light, this connection, and you have to turn on. Okay, camera is USB connected. So now I can go to the laptop and I can open the camera. Okay, GoPro MTP client is volume. And what I'm using also, so on the right side I have the port for SD card. So this one, and I'm using this port. Someone in the new laptop can use immediately this micro SD card because it has port. I haven't, so I just take out this micro SD card from the camera and input here to the adapter. Like this. Okay, and this adapter I'm taking and input right here to the PC. So this is second one, and now I want to show you how you can choose the micro SD card. So it's really very easy. Before you have to turn off, so keep turn on off button and keep camera like this, and click on the SD card. I take the SD card outside, and now you can use copy data directly from the SD card, micro SD card. So thank you for the watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.